Assalamualaikum and hi to my fellow friends and also our lecturer is Madam Haja Izati. So our group represent about artificial intelligence. So in our group we have four members which is contain Nur Ashkim binti Muhammad Isa, and the second one is Nur Ardina Sofia binti Mahmud, and the third one is Nur Ashafia binti Isa, which is me, and the fourth one is Nur Arif. So I will represent about objective of classification. For the first one is the possibilities of machine learning are expanded by a deep learning algorithm, which is the convolutional neural network, which is CNN. It is frequently used for studying visual pictures since CNS can recognize and classify features from photographs and videos. The third one is that require these layers in order to extract features which are convolutional, rectified linear unit, ReLU and pooling. And the last one is CNS is utilized in the study to identify and categorize furniture.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ashikin. So next, I'm going to present about the input data. So the input data, the data has been obtained from publicly available sources such as Google, Fairpic, Yahoo, Pinterest, and iStock to be used for the specific project. And the type that we use is PNG. And then we have four files, which is bed, backdrop, sofa, and shoe rack. Next, I'm going to present about the training phase. First, the experiment 1. So, the max pooling layer equal to 2 and then the max approach is 32. The learning rate is 0.01. So, we got 96.00% validation accuracy and it takes 40 seconds to get the result. Next, for the experiment 2, the max pooling layer is 2 and then the max approach is 32, learning rate equal to 0.01 and then we got a 97.00% validation accuracy and it takes 33 seconds to complete the second experiment. The validation accuracy increased for 1% from the first experiment. Next, for the experiment 3, the max pooling layer equal to 4 and then the max approach is 32, the learning rate is 0.04. The result validation accuracy is 90.00%. So we got a 90.00 validation accuracy and it takes 7 seconds to complete the third experiment. The third experiment decreased because the learning have been changed from 0.01 to 0.04 and the maximum iteration is 16. Next, experiment 4, the max pooling layer equal to 5, the max approach equal to 32, the learning rate equal to 0.14, and the result validation accuracy equal to 85.00%. We got a active 5.00% validation accuracy and it takes 5 seconds to complete the second experiment. As for the fourth experiment, we changed the max pooling from the max pooling 2D layer for strike 4, the max pooling 2D layer to 5 strike 5. Next, for the experiment 5, the max pooling layer equal to 5, the max approach equal to 32, the learning rate equal to 0.14. The result for validation accuracy is 84.00%. We got a 84.00% validation accuracy and it takes 5 seconds to complete the fifth experiment.
Okay, my name is Mohammad Arif and I want to continue from Mr. Shikin to explain about the training phase. For the experiment 6, the maximum pooling layer is 2, the maximum approach is 32, same with previous experiment. The learning rate is 0.01 and the result validation accuracy is 92.00%. This experiment just needs 7 seconds to complete the training time. Next, for the experiment 7, the maximum polling layer is 2, maximum epoch is 32, the learning rate is 0.02, and it comes with 88.00% for the result validation accuracy. The experiment completed time is 7 seconds, same with previous experiment. For the experiment 8, the maximum pooling is decreases from 2 to 1. The maximum epoch is remaining same with which is 32. The linear rate also decreased from 0.02 to 0.01, and the result validation accuracy is 33 and 33.00%, which is the lowest from all experiments. So the elapsed time for this experiment is 30 seconds, and it takes longer than the previous experiment. Then for the experiment 9, the maximum pooling is 5, which is increased from 1 to 5. The maximum epoch is still 32. The learning rate is also increased from 0.01 to 0.04, and the result validation accuracy is 76.00%. So it takes just 4 seconds to complete the experiment 9, and the iteration per epoch is 2. For the last experiment, which is experiment 10, the maximum pooling is decreased from 5 to 3. The maximum epoch is still remain the same from the first experiment, which is 32. The learning rate is decreased from 0.04 to 0.01, and the validation accuracy is increased from 76.00% to 85.00%. The time for complete the training just 6 seconds, and it is just take 144 seconds to complete the 10 experiments. And the maximum iteration is also remain the same from experiment 1 to 10, which is 32.
So the next part we're showing is the testing phase demonstration, which a math lab needs to predict the picture of the set of furniture, which are sofa, bed, shoe rack, and a wardrobe. So the first testing we need the MATLAB to predict is the picture of the wardrobe that I put at the slide as a tester, and I already tested on the MATLAB and screen recording to show the results. So I insert the name of the picture called the wardrobe test here and run this coding. And we can see now the MATLAB has predicted the picture, and it shows that the picture is actually a wardrobe with a 100% probability and refers to the prediction. You can see that the wardrobe got the highest probability, which is correct since it is a wardrobe. So the first testing, so the second testing, the picture of the shoe rack that I put also as tested at the slide, and I inserted the body picture for shoe rack test at the coding section and run the coding. And now we can see that the MATLAB has predicted the picture, and it shows that the picture is actually a shoe rack with a 100% probability and refer to the prediction. We can see that the shoe rack got the highest probability, which is also correct since it is a shoe rack. So it shows that the MATLAB predict the picture correct. So the second testing, the picture of the shoe rack that I put also as tested at the slide, and I inserted the body picture. So the tech test the sofa,
I insert the name of the picture for sofa test here and run the comment section. And now you can see the MATLAB has predicted the picture, and it shows that the picture is actually a sofa with a 99.8 probability. And refer to the prediction, we can see that the sofa got the highest probability, which is correct since it is a sofa. So the MATLAB predict the picture correctly. So the test the sofa. I insert the name of the picture for sofa test here and run the comment section. So last but not least, the last testing is a bad test, and I insert the name of the picture for bad test there and run the comment section. And you can see the MATLAB has predicted the picture, and it shows the picture is a bat with a 99.6 probability. And refer to the prediction, we can see the bat got the highest probability, which is the MATLAB has predicted the picture a bat. So last but not least, the last testing is a bat test, and I insert the name of the picture for bat test there and run the comment section.
And now we jump to the conclusion. So according to the experiment, the accuracy of experiment 2 is higher at 97.00%, while the accuracy of experiment 8 is lower at 33.00%, while the convolutional 2D layer and mixed pooling 2D layer are different in both test, and initial rate and mixed approach are the identical. Image accuracy and time will be impacted by the higher the convolutional 2D layer and the lower the max pooling 2D layer setting. Between 33.00% and 97.00% was the range of validation accuracy across the all studies, with the average of 82.6%. Four different kinds of furniture may be distinguished in image using this CNN method. Even though AI cannot yet distinguish between image as well as human can, its use is certain to improve as AI technology develops. 97.00 accuracy is the highest. That's all from us. Thank you for listening, and Assalamualaikum.